Hi, Christine Toney with Lilla Rose, and I just had to come on here and share with you something exciting that is going to be happening in July on one day in particular with Lilla Rose. We are having an amazing enrollment kit special on July 3rd, so that we don't interrupt festivities and time with your family on July 4th. We are offering this on July 3rd for 7 hours only. Now you might think, what is it for 7 hours only? It is an enrollment kit special. And because we are celebrating our Declaration of Independence that happened in 1776, we are offering our kit, our enrollment kit for $17.76. And that's crazy. Our normal price is $89 for the kit. And you might ask, well, what do I get for that $17.86? Let me show you. You get over $300 worth of product retail. So you will get 2 hair bands that come with the adjustable elastic. You get 8 flexies in sizes from mini to large. So for an example, this is a large and then this is a mini. You get 2 of our Flexi 8s. We have it in the brown and the black, and some of the products may vary. You will still get the same value. They may sub out prices if we expect the kits to just kind of fly off the shelves. You also get a decorative hair stick, a large U-pin, 2 sets of decorative U-pins, of our traditional U-pins, and a set of bobbies. $300 worth of product for just $17.76. So it is amazing. And along with the product, you will also get some basic business supplies. And I will show you you get your manual, and you will get some marketing materials, just various marketing materials we have to help you promote your business. And brochures, catalogs, business cards. There's more in here. You get the whole box full. So we have some amazing opportunity within Lilla Rose. And once you sign up, there's even more opportunity for you to do well with Lilla Rose and get more surprises. So you can have your own home parties. You can do online parties. You can just share with your friends and family. You can do gifts for friends and family. Holidays become a breeze for the women in your life with Lilla Rose. So there's a lot of opportunity there. And one advantage of Lilla Rose is that you don't have to work your business like another person might. So you might sign up and you might only work it very casually and for the discount yourself, and to buy gifts and to share with friends, family, coworkers. You may decide to do shows and events like I did. I decided I absolutely loved doing that. I loved being on here with you all and giving tutorials on different ways to wear these amazing products. Like you'll see, I have a ponytail without an elastic using only one of our U-pins, and you'll get 2 sets of U-pins in the kit. So if you haven't seen some of my other tutorials, be sure and look around just to see the potential of these amazing, unique hair accessories. So it really is an amazing opportunity. You will get a 30 to 45% discount or commission, depending on how much you sell. But you will always have that 30% discount for yourself, even if you decide not to work the business. The only quota, there are no monthly or quarterly quotas, it's $29 a year retail. Pretty crazy. So if you're just doing a few gifts for someone a year, you're going to easily make that quota to maintain your discount. If you have other questions, please let me know. There's a lot of other opportunities. We do have a fast start kit if you are wanting to kind of run with it and do shows or start out doing in-home events right away, which are totally fun. And you can always seek me out if you want to do that. If you want to have an event online, let me know. But this is great. So $17.76 on July 3rd from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific time, or 3 to 10 Eastern time. So you have to work out your time zone on where you are, but it will only be for those 7 hours. If you want to follow and make sure that you don't forget and be reminded, please let me know. Reach out to me, or go to my homepage on YouTube and click my Facebook group. And you can follow me there as well. But I would be happy to reach out with reminders to let anyone know who's interested in that. It really is an awesome opportunity. We have free training. I do weekly trainings with my own personal team. when you sign up under me, and our company has amazing free training. So awesome opportunity. So again, $300 worth of product for $17 and $17.76. Yeah, $17.76. So have a happy 4th, and I'll be talking to you later. Bye.